Hey, so, if you're trying to access Google Easter eggs and they're not working, yeah, that can be confusing. Sometimes you can't access them at all, or nothing happens when you try. But don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to fix that. First, make sure you're using the official Google search page. Some Easter eggs won't work on embedded search bars or other websites. Now, this is important. You need to type the exact keyword. Even small spelling mistakes can stop the Easter egg from working. For example, try do a barrel roll or askew. And yeah, double-check your spelling. If you still can't access the Easter egg, your browser might have JavaScript turned off. Most of these features depend on it. So go into Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and make sure JavaScript is turned on. Another common issue: browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can prevent Easter eggs from loading. Try disabling them temporarily, then refresh the page. If it's still not working, switch to another browser. Some Easter eggs don't work the same everywhere. You can try Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better compatibility. And finally, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes block access to these features. After clearing it, reload Google and try again. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Easter egg access problems. Usually, it's just a small setting or browser issue. Try these steps and you should be able to access them easily again.